Ni hao, ma.
Bless you.
God bless it.
Do we like her?
No.
It deserves our treatment, it really does.
Say, you know, I'm gonna need something salty after this. Hopefully all this ice melts because it's overpowering my drink. You know what would be so cool? We put like 8 different drinks in like 8 different cups and we put like a question mark on each one. And then the other person...
Can I do it? 8 different burps, like different sounds of burps, and we made it into like a Christmas jingle. I almost threw up all over the new carpet. Man, we like this.
I wanna punch her in the face.
Man, sandwich
making.
Oh my god!
Hey Justin! Hey! Oh, I love him. Oh, I love him.
I really need bearskin Snuggies.
What?
Yeah, like with
Real bearskin? That's terrible. They should make people skin Snuggies.
No, that was a little bit too far.